You're watching this week's episode of Species Spotlight at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. We are looking at Bahama Senna, also known as Senna Mexicana, variation chapmanii. This is a shrub that gets to be 2 to 4 feet tall by 3 to 6 feet wide. It is a short-lived perennial and is an evergreen but goes semi-dormant in the drought or cold. It blooms all year round in South Florida and typically lives 3 to 5 years. Its range is in the Monroe County Keys and Miami-Dade County, the Bahamas, and Cuba. The Bahama Senna has a fast growing rate and usually grows broad before it grows tall. It prefers moist, well-drained limestone soils with or without humusy top layer. Its nutritional requirements are low as it grows in nutrient-poor soils, and its saltwater tolerance is also low. So, this also is a larval host plant for cloudless sulphur butterflies, sleepy orange butterflies, and the introduced orange-barred sulphur butterflies. A gland at the base of the leaves attracts ants that attack the butterfly caterpillars. Sennas attract butterflies, solitary bees, including sweat bees and bumblebees, as pollinators. Its native habitats are pine rocklands, rocky hammocks, dunes, and typically sunny areas. Did you know this plant is actually listed as an endangered species in the state of Florida? Bahama Senna prefers full sun to light shade and produces showy yellow flowers about 3/4 of an inch wide, and they flower all year round. Its fruits are brown pods or legumes that are usually hanging from the very tops. You'll see them very shortly as we get higher. There we go. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Species Spotlight and learning more about the native plants in your region. Take care, and we'll see you next week.